Welcome to this presentation. The title of this project is the UCAS Personal Statement AI Assistant. My name is Reza Ali and my GitHub EDX username is mnrezaali. I live in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and this recording was made on the 9th July 2025. This project is a command line interface CLI AI assistant developed in Python and using Gemini, designed to guide and coach students in crafting their UCAS personal statements for the 2026 entry cycle. The UK Universities and Colleges Admissions Services, UCAS, their requirements for 2026 applications includes a personal statement answering 3 questions as shown. This program was built using Python as required by CS50 final project specifications and utilizes the Gemini LLM. The program consists of 14 functions in 4 categories: the core application flow, user input and configuration, user experience and display utilities, and the external API and prompt management. To run the program, it requires Python 3 to be installed, a Google Gemini API key obtainable from Google AI Studio, and access to a terminal like VS Code's integrated terminal or a CS50 code space, installation through pip or Google Generative AI, simple term menu, and PyTest. I would declare that this project, while entirely coded and conceived by me, significantly benefited from leveraging Google Gemini, the model itself accessed by Google AI Studio as an intelligent coding and debugging assistant. Let's go through the program itself. Upon running the program, user will be asked to enter the Google Gemini API key. Program will verify the API key and list the available Gemini models. User will be asked to select a Gemini model for the session. The program will first ask for user's first name, intended degree, and university. It will then ask user to select the typewriter speed. Finally, user can choose a UCAS personal statement question to discuss and chat with the AI assistant. Begin the conversation with the AI assistant when prompted. To end the conversation, type N at the input, and once that is done, the conversation is concluded. The program will print the conversation history and return user to the main menu where the user can choose another question. This is a screenshot of the TXT file that is generated as a log for the user conversation history. And that concludes my presentation. Thank you to the CS50 team for an awesome learning experience.